Hey everybody, my name is Max Berkowitz. I'm one of the co-founders of Nowhere, and I'm here to walk you through our new advanced stream feature. Now, this feature is only available to higher level accounts. If you're interested in using this, please just get in touch with us, and we can help get you set up. So the basics of this is it's just like you would stream to Twitch or YouTube Live. You're going to use streaming software. In this example, I'm going to be showing you how to use OBS. Uh, but you can use anything that you can add a stream key to. So uh, to get to the advanced stream, you're going to navigate to your find your station, and then you're going to go to the admin page of your station. For now, where this lives is just on the station admin page. So go to the top and then scroll down here. If you're on a space admin page, you're going to go up to the top left and then again scroll down to the stream key feature. So there's a few components that make up the stream box here. The top, you get a bit of information on whether the source is actually running, how long the session has been running for, and you can start and stop the stream from sending to all of your spaces. Although this doesn't stop the stream from OBS into our into the streamer. And then we have the stream source. Currently, we only have stream key, so that's what I'm going to be running through with you today. But we will be adding more features in the future. And then the last component is the stream send. The stream send is going to is where you pick which spaces within your station you want this video to display. So by default, it checks everything, so it's sending to all spaces in your station. You can see the ones that are brighter white. These are open spaces, and the ones that are faded are closed spaces, but they can still be checked. So as soon as you open them, they'll automatically have the stream sending to them. If you don't want to send a stream to one of the rooms, simply uncheck it and hit save. For now, I'll just leave it going to all spaces. So to get this set up, the first thing you want to do is click the stream key button. This will initiate the stream. You'll see that the source is now set to idle. And then you're going to have two different values here. So you need to use both of these to set up where to go. The URL is tells OBS where to send it, and then the stream key gives your unique value that it should go to this specific place. So first, let's copy the URL, and we're going to go over to OBS and go to your settings, and then go to stream. And then you're going to go to your server, or first make sure in the drop down for services you choose custom, and then for the server you're just going to paste that URL that you just copied there. This will stay the same, so you don't have to do this every time. So once you set this once, if you stop and start the stream key, the key will change, but the URL will stay the same. And so the second thing to do is copy the key and then just paste that in here, hit apply, and OK. Now there's many optimizations and things you could do for OBS. I recommend looking up tutorials on how to get the best settings for your situation. And OBS is very robust, so I'm just going to walk you through setting up a basic scene. So first, you're going to hit the plus on the bottom and set up a new scene. Not a very interesting name there. And then you'll see that you have nothing set there. So hit the plus in this sources now, and you can choose to do many things. You can do an audio input, which would take your microphone. Same with a video capture device, and that would be if you want to do kind of like a webinar of yourself to all these streams, you could do that. But for today, I'm just going to do a media source. And so we're going to call this video 1 and hit enter, and then find your file. I've got some awesome flying kittens here. If we can find them. Oh yeah, downloads. All right. So you just find your file, hit open. I'll say loop this video, but you do what makes sense for you, and then hit OK. And then if you need to go full screen, you can drag that source up to full screen. You can also change the properties at any time back here. And so, okay, so now you've got your source playing, and all you have to do is hit start streaming. And so now this is going to make OBS send what you're seeing here out to our stream key or our streamer. Note that this can take up to 30 seconds to get started, but we should be seeing this pop up here very shortly and get these awesome little kittens running. And look at that. Here we go. Now I've got a world open already, as you can see, and it has not started yet because I haven't started the stream. So we're going to come back here. You see an active source means that you have information coming from OBS. And so now I'll just simply say start stream. And as soon as this comes over, okay, now you see it's running. And so now it can run over here. And we've got the cute kittens running on the screen for everyone to see. Now, a good thing to note is try not to stop and start the stream in here too often. And you should try to control that from over here first. And so once you're done, all you have to do is hit stop stream, and that will go away in your world. And it'll still be running into OBS. So you could start stream again if you wanted to. If you wanted to pause this video and scrub back to start, and then you wanted to let it reset and then play for people, like you could do that. So once you're done, all you do is come back to OBS and say stop streaming, and this again, it'll take a few seconds. We'll switch to idle. And then if you want to fully stop, just hit the X on the stream key, and that will close your session. Note that if you start a session again by hitting stream key, you now have a new unique key. So make sure that you copy that again and go to settings and add that if you want to start again. So that's the basics of Advanced Stream. And if you have any more questions, you can go to the help docs or feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for hanging out with us, and we'll see you again for another tutorial.